is a pretty penny, okay? Skims is a pretty penny. Let's say that. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mone't. If you've been here, how you doing? So if you read the title, then you already know what's going on here. We're trying to see if our good sis Kim, brand Skims, is really worth the hype. First and foremost, let's get into the packaging. So this is the box, real simple, real, nobody's going to know. And then we open it up and we have our good sis. Let's talk about it. So like I said, you got the box, you have this cute little paper. It's cute, it's simple, it makes sense. So then you have the packaging. How does she fit all this stuff in one thing? I don't know, but this is the packaging. And yeah, I have a total of 8 items, which is 4 sets. All my tops I got in a size small, and all my bottoms I got in a size medium. And yeah, let's just get into this video. I want to tell y'all my size, how much I weigh, and how tall I am. So I weigh 155 last time I checked, and I'm between 5'6" and 5'7". So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I seen another couple of reviews, and it was people saying that it's super stretchy, they could have sized down and stuff like that. So like I said, I got these bottoms in a medium. That's first and foremost. I know that I have a big butt, so I don't know if a small would have been able to fit. Yes, it's stretchy. It's definitely stretchy, but this medium is comfortable. Like, it's comfortable. I don't feel like I'm suffocated. I'm fine with it. This top, on another hand, it's kind of tight in the bodysuit. It's kind of tight in my bottom area. Like, I had it on yesterday, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it was all in my butt. Like, all in my butt. But I do like the fit. It holds my breasts. You know, the little breasts I do have, it hold them tight or whatever. So I do like that. But I do feel like if I would have got a medium, it would have still fit. So yes, the clothing items, they have a lot of stretch, but it's also fitting as well, if that makes sense. So like I did tell y'all, I am, you know, on the taller side. They do go all the way down. Do I think they could have been a bit longer? I mean, they do have like it's cuffs at the end, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but it fits. It fit my legs, you know, they fit well. But me personally, I would love for them to be just a tiny bit longer. Don't get me wrong, I love it. I love to see it. I love it. I love it. I love it. We'll be wearing this over and over, you know. But I do feel like they could have been longer to me. I mean, of course, a short person, or, you know, somebody under 5'6", they're not gonna have no problems with it. I don't have no problem with it. I'm not saying I have no problems with it, but I just feel like they could have been a little bit longer. That's all I'm saying. But yes, overall, I do like the set. But is it worth it? Okay, y'all, so this is the next set that I have. This is in the outdoor collection. So I have the outdoor basic leggings in the color Tiger's Eye. And then I have the outdoor basic crew neck tank in the color Tiger's Eye as well. And this, y'all, I like this. As a tall girl, this is how I like my leggings. I like my leggings to have a little bit of extra room. You know, just everybody don't want their ankles to be showing. I might wear some sneakers with this or something. But So like I said, I got the leggings in a medium and I got my top in a small. I feel like I could have went down a size in my top, so I could have got an extra small, but the overall fit, baby, this the one. This is also, it's a little thicker than the cotton rib. I guess, I mean, it does say outdoor, so I would expect thicker anyways. But I'm in love with this. I am in love with these leggings. They have this scrunch part instead of like a band. It have this scrunch part. But yes, it's holding the ladies together. I like it. I like it. I really like this, y'all. I think this is my favorite out of everything. So I did get 2 legging sets and I got 2 like short sets. But yeah, I think this one is my favorite. Like the way these leggings got your girl snatched. I'm talking about snatched, baby. And like I said, this is a medium. The top is cute. It's cute, you know, it's chill. But like I said, I feel like I could have gone down the side, so I could have got an extra small. Just so it could, you know, fit me more. Like, but overall, like I said, it's good, it's cute. This may be my favorite. And I love the color, y'all. If you know me, then you know I love me some nude. Love, love, love me some nude. And yeah, this is really cute. Okay, now these shorts, like the short outfits, they hit a bit different. Like, so I was too excited, but I have the cotton rib tank in the color mineral, and then I have the red boxers in the color mineral as well. I got the shorts in the medium, and I have the top in the small. And this fit, I feel like the shorts fit a bit different than the leggings. I don't know why. I feel like you can get all your tops cropped unless you get in like the cotton jersey tops. I'm gonna try them out, but I got what I could get because y'all girls be on it, okay? But yes, I do like this top. But is it a crop? It don't even say it's a crop, so I really don't know. But I don't know, y'all. But overall, it fit nice. It like with the shorts being coming up as high as they do. This is good for me. It's giving the girl body. It snatches you in. I can't say that. It's also stretchy, like I've been saying. If you're a large, do not try to get a medium. I know it says stretchy, but like I said, it's fitting. So if I was to even get a medium top in the cotton rib collection, then I feel like it still would be fine because it's stretchy, but it's fitting. So it only stretch enough. It only stretch as much as you stretch it, basically. This, my size, is comfortable. I feel like if I would have went any smaller, it would be tight. It's stretchy and it fit, but I feel like if I would have went any smaller, it would have been tight. I wouldn't be comfortable. I feel like I'm being squeezed, if that makes sense. But like I said, it's cute. Overall, since I got one more set, but overall I give it an 8 out of 10. And I'm not bashing the brand. I just feel like for the price, I don't know, it's cute. We all know that it's our good sis Skims brand, but we can get loungewear cheaper. So like it don't even say how much it was. But like the tops itself be like $40 and up. I'm still gonna shop there, but next time I'm not gonna buy in bulk. I'm gonna buy a set. But yes. Lastly, we have another short set. We have the cotton rib boxers in the light heather gray, and then we also have another bodysuit in light heather gray as well. Like I said about the bodysuits, being the fact that I'm smaller at the top and bigger at the bottom, I got a small just because I want it to fit here well. But does it fit here well? I don't think so. Y'all, like I said with the black, it be all in my butt. And that's not comfortable. I like the fit. I like the fit. But that little piece being in my butt, I don't know if I can be comfortable with that. But I love how it looks. Honestly, I like the bodysuit with the leggings or the shorts or whatever. Whatever you choose, I like the bodysuit with it. Like I've been saying, it snatch you in. Baby, I don't think my body will look like this with some jeans and a shirt. But with this skin, it's snatching your girl in. Give a BBL. But, so another thing, I like the fact in her cotton rib set, like in that part where your vagina go, it's just cotton. And I think that's really, really cool for my girls who don't like to wear underwear. You know, we get it. She get it, which is cool. So she have this little area, and I thought that was cool. It's kind of like extra protection. So yeah, that's fine. But I'm really feeling the shorts better than the leggings. No cap. I really am. Like, this is cute. Once again, it's stretchy, but I feel like if I would have got a small, it would have been squeezing these thighs, baby, and this butt. Like I said, like I've been saying, I feel like you should get your sides, especially in the bottoms, just so it can be comfortable. Nobody wants tight loungewear, or just, you know, want to go wear. You want to be comfortable. You want everything to be fitting, not tight. So I can say, to me, it's true to size. If you ask me, the only problem I had was I could have went down a size in this, but this is a different material than this. This is a more, let me see. I think this is more like spandex. So exactly what I thought. This top has spandex in it. These tops don't have spandex. I could have went down a size in this, but a small and a cotton rib is good for me. So yeah, I changed my thing. Overall, 9 out of 10. And the hype is real. The hype is real, okay? Like I said, it's a pretty pretty penny. If you want it, I wouldn't buy it in bulk. I would buy it by the set. And also I heard that she have the Klarna, so the 4 payment thing. I like the fact that she's making it, I'm not gonna say affordable, but she's making it possible for all the girls to get it. So that's good. I like that. Those are all the pieces I have, but I do want to just like go into detail on the small details. So like I said, on her outdoor set, she have more of a scrunchy material, like, well, a scrunchy elastic. Instead, like on her cotton rib, she have more of a band. So I feel like the outdoor ones, it kind of snatch you more, it grips you more, and the band, it kind of, it's comfortable, it sits on you comfortable. You know, you won't have to have nothing too tight, squeezing on your skin or whatever. But like I said, I think these are my favorite when it comes to snatching. Okay, also on all her cotton rib sets, she have the logo, the Skims logo, on the front of the pants and the back of the top. This is just a regular top, not a bodysuit. Do she have it on the bodysuits? Nope, she don't. But like I said, she have it on the band. Always on the band. Do the outdoor set have it? No, it don't. But we all know Skims when we see Skims. Okay. Oh, also on the leggings, the cotton rib leggings, I was trying to tell y'all it have this extra, like, I don't know what to call it, but basically this will hold your ankle tight regardless. So I think that's cool. Like I said, I would have liked the cotton rib leggings to be longer, but it's cool. Like, it's not something that you can really trip big about, but for my tall girls, y'all get it. I like my leggings to be like, just have a little wrench at the bottom, because sometimes I don't want my ankles to show. So like I said, I give it a 9 out of 10. The hype is real. I get it. I understand. I will be getting more myself personally, but I will not be buying in bulk. I guess I'll just catch a set here and there. But yes, ladies, I'm still stuck on the is it worth it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like I said, the tops are 40 and up, the bottoms are 50 and up. So yes, I know one thing I really do want to try from the Skims brand period are they underwear. So yeah, I might be giving those a try because they're only $14. Now that's a steal right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you guys want me to try some more clothing, if you have your own brand, then like I said, I try my best to support. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.